T3, we are going to do a lab activity today. Chapter 3, lists and images in HTML5. This is basically the chapter that we are doing. And we are going to do in the lab activity, which is given on in the lab activity 1, page number. This is given on the page number 63. Okay. So what is basically this activity? Danish has asked by his teacher to create a web page giving a list of books to be read by a student of class 8th. Help him to write HTML code for creating this web page. So this is basically the lab activity. Okay, teacher has given the assignment to Danish to create a web page in order to display the list of books. Books की list जो है वो display करना है. And how they are going to do this job, how this job will be done. Basically, this is the topic. So for this purpose, I am going to create an unordered list. As we know that whenever we are going to create an unordered list, so what I am going to do, I am going to type the code. In order to save the time, I have already typed the code with the name of lab1 class 8 lab1 page 63 .html. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to create an unordered list, and you know very well that in the title we will mention that it is basically about list of book list. And circle, I am going to take a circle. Okay, fine. List type will be circle. Now over here I am going to mention the names of the books. You can see that it is basically a heading. I have given the heading. Unordered list. For the sake of unordered list, you know very well that we use UL opening tag and UL/UL closing tag. And LI is basically the number wise item that you mention. For example, I am mentioning over here Park Studies book. Neuro computing, computer science book. Okay, mathematics book. Biology. Okay, so these are the list of the books that we have created, and such type of coding we have already done. You know that there are two portions in the HTML codes. The code is started by doc type HTML. There are two portions: head. This is basically the head. This is head. In the head we mention book title, the title, and list style. List style is basically we have taken in the circle. We can also mention a square over here. It depends on us if we want to take circle or a square, so we can do this. Then in the body we are going to create the unordered list. In the body we are going to create the unordered list. And in the heading we have created, we have mentioned the property of the unordered list, that the list style type will be circle. Okay, so This is the code that we have done, and we have saved it with the .html code, with the .html extension. Now I close it and I save it. Now I open this code with the Google Chrome to see the output. Now see the output, please. See the output. Output is given over here. Pakistan studies book, computer science book, mathematics book. So in this way, the student will be able to create the list of the books, and it is very easy way how you can create a book. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to do practice of this in the lab activity at your home on your PCs, so that it should be clear to you all how we are going to do this job. Now come to the lab activity number 2. Siham's mother is planning to start hobby classes during the summer vacation. She has asked Siham to create a web page giving a list of courses that will be offered in these classes. Help Siham create an appropriate web page. Acha ji, what they have to do now? This is basically the lab activity number 2 that we are going to do. And the previous one was mentioned on page number 63, and this is mentioned on page number 64. Okay. Now they are asking for courses. They have to. Siham's mother has asked him to create the web page for different type of courses offered for different types of classes. So we have to create a web page where we will make a list of the courses. So how we can do this job? We will create a ordered list for this purpose. Okay, I'm going to open this page, and I'm going to edit this page. I'm mentioning courses over here in the title, and ordered list matlab where we are going to mention the list in the numbers. List style type I'm going to take in decimal. Okay, and I'm mentioning over here courses offered as heading. Now OL is being used over here. Why? Because it is ordered list. It is not UL. Why? Because it is ordered list. What are different courses that the woman is offering over here? She is saying that, for example, cooking, makeup, English, language, teaching, only English learning. Okay, we mentioned in English learning. Interior design. Okay, so these are the courses that are being offered. We have mentioned over here. Okay, these are basically the courses offered. So how you can give it in the form of ordered list, as we know that we mention over here the list style type, we have mentioned the list style type is basically decimal. Okay, we have taken the list style type as decimal. So I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it as class 8th lab 2 page 64 page 64, and I will click on .html and I'm going to save it. Okay, now I'm going to close this window and I'm going to open this a new page with the Google Chrome. Basically, this is the output of our, you know, basically this is the output of our work that we have done over here. We have saved this practical as well. So how in this way we can do this job, and we can create a list of the courses which is basically in the Roman number, in the decimal number. We can change it in the form of Roman number as well. So in this way we can do this job. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to uh, think that, okay, how we can create it at our own PCs. If you have got any question, you can ask me right now. Yes, have you got any question? You want to ask anything? You want to ask anything? Yes, please raise the hand who want to ask anything. Yes, please. Yes, Mohammed Maaz. Mohammed Maaz. Yes, Mohammed Maaz. You want to ask anything? Okay, fine. If you don't have any questions, so we are going to conclude it. I will upload the video of this lecture as well on your in your Google Classroom. Okay.